You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club trying to pipe a Barbie.
Hey guys, so day 2 of the curls, and really day 4 of washing, which is great. So today's just like a lounging day, and I wanted to quickly show you guys a cute little style that you can lounge around cutely in your house or go to a grocery store and just look normal. So really all we'll be doing today is we're just gonna take one section, literally one section. Now, why I chose this style, because I'm sure most of us moms can't wear our hair down all the time because our kids are going nuts. So I need my hair out of my face at this point. But you know, I don't want to look like a bum. So show you guys quickly. So all I did was I took literally almost from my eyebrow diagonally up. Again, same thing on the other side, twisted. All I did was twist and then bring that down into a little donut. And then now I'm just pushing because I want a little bit of height. Next, we're gonna take, pull it in. So this is just really that messy top bun that we all love, but looks effortlessly cute. And like we did something, so sometimes you might want to stick a bobby pin in. I have a lot of hair, so I need to have a little bit more security sometimes. There we go. Okay. And next, I just want to have a little bit of height. Now, I have a lot of hair, so typically I don't back comb my hair too often, but I love seeing a little bit of height in the crown area, so not really on my face, but just kind of behind, just to give me some extra volume to kind of go with my face shape. And you can do that on the other side. Now, as you can see, I did that very effortlessly. I'm just gonna spray it really lightly. Today I'm using my Fashion Work 12 from Redken. It's a really nice hairspray because it's very workable. You don't actually have to use a comb afterwards to brush out because you're doing it so lightly. You shouldn't break through that top layer when you're back combing, okay? So after that, see, you can just kind of see I'm pulling it more down just so it blends in with everything there. Next, we're gonna come on this side. Same thing. Just kind of push down really gently. There you go. And then afterwards, if you want, you can, if you have some shorter hairs, bangs, anything in the front, really helps to add to it, so it gets really cute. If you want to kind of almost like jazzle this up, you can always throw in one of these cute little guys. Got your cute, messy bun, lounging around the house and chasing your kids. Enjoy, guys.